What up, y'all? Precision fishing, back at it again. Give you guys a little update on the boat, what's going on. Got my plywood, treated marine grade plywood, put my carpet in yesterday. We got some new seats we're gonna put in this week. These are pretty stout, really nice. Let's step outside here. This right here is the boat. Got new lights, new wiring. Let me flip this around. So yeah, got new lights, all new wiring, and I did put some new wheels in, put new hubs, grease caps. I got another one in here that I'm gonna put on probably later this week when I get some more time. This is the aluminum frame we put in. It's pretty stout. It ain't going nowhere. That's what the plywood's gonna sit on, carpet deck. I'm gonna bolt this in and put the floor in, and have the seats back here. Probably put another one back there, and that's pretty much it. It's looking pretty good. I'll keep you guys updated.